YouTube? It's me again. See this? Ooh, look at that. Look at that sunburn. Ooh, look at that. Anyway, I got some, what do you call it? I got some cool goodies to show you. I'll bend the camera on and I'll make a couple of videos. Last week I was in, was it last week? A couple days ago I was in here fixing a Game Boy, and here I'll show you what I got this time. Let me move some of this crap out of the way. Let me move some of the crap out of the way. Let's put this down here. There we go. What do we got today? We have a Super Mini number 900. Not Super Mini, but a little, was it? Littleston. Little stone. Nice little vise here. Woohoo, look at that. Let me turn the light on here. That's better, see? It's in nice shape. Really good shape, actually. I paid 30 bucks for it. It's pretty cool. It's got a little bit of patina on it. Added to my little miniature vise collection. I also have another one I picked up, which is not as big, but I have this little guy. I think I already have one of these. Little, I don't know, table clamper. I don't know if this is original, but it's nice and dirty, and it's nice and cheap. See, it's so awesome. The jaws don't even line up properly. They're not even straight. It's probably straight out of China, for all I know. There's no markings on it. This one still has nobody's been banging on it. There's no cut. There's one little cut mark, but for the most part, the handle's not bent. There's no freaking dings in there. Just marks where they fixed it. I also picked up I don't know when the hell this is made either, but wait. Come on, this is a vise video. This one, which is really cool. I think I have another one like this. I just keep picking them up because when they're under 10 bucks, I mean, how could you go wrong, right? It's a, what's this say? Oh, there's writing on it. Let me check the writing. Where is my brush? Damn it. How come I always lose the damn brush when I need it? Shit. Where is it? Yeah, we have a small one here. There's a little bit of writing on here. I can't. It says 3 or something. There it is. It says June. Shit, I don't know what the hell it says. I think someone smashed it out. June something. I don't know if you can see it in there. Right in there, there's some writing. It's pretty cool though. It's all black. I'm guessing it's been painted or japanned. The front's got a little nickety bobber right there, but it's pretty round and she works pretty good. Doesn't line up right away. It's got a little scar there, but they're fun to have. They're pretty cool. Three vises. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. The hell with the bell and just subscribe. And thanks for watching. Enjoy.